Hi, I'm Priya Sudeep, co-owner of KKB, Kichas Kings Bengaluru.
Ma'am, so this is the new team which has been inducted in the Indian Racing Festival. What was the vision, idea of having this team?
Um, see, as one of the only other woman co-owner, we wanted to focus a lot on including women so, but unfortunately, we have to go by what the league has in store just now. The format is already set. Um, it's our first year, but I think going forward, focus should also be. I'm very happy that it's a gender neutral league, and I have seen our ladies drivers draft. They are no less than their male counterparts. So I think that's good enough reason for us to encourage and have them more in number. Maybe the number of races can increase to have women more participate a lot more, focus a lot more on our Indian women, because I think the grit and power and perseverance that an Indian woman can bring to the table, nowhere else in the world are you going to find that. So we will earnestly and eagerly request the league to probably have a lot more women power in the
Sudeep is obviously one of the biggest, film stars. How are you all planning to leverage that stardom to also promote the sport? Because it goes hand in hand and it's so important for motorsports to do well. So, what do you have to say about that?
So, like you said, Sudeep is an icon for our youth. He is a personality with a lot of grit. He has been championing a lot of sports. He's headed our Bangalore cricket team for the Celebrity League. He has promoted the Kabaddi League. He loves to play badminton. In his free time, we see him play chess or badminton or play cricket. So he actually wanted to be a cricketer before an actor. The youth can connect to him on a sports level, and because of him being a sportsman, I think he has inculcated a lot of discipline. I think for this kind of motorsport, temperament, discipline, grit, drive, all of that is important for a league like this is something that Sudeep also represents. So it is but natural that KKB is an extension of his personality. So that's what we are trying to bring into our team. His message to his team is very simple: stay grounded, but keep the intent